Wow, smiley. Well, I'm just in the habit. Look for morels. I must have walked right by that one and bumped them in half. And this one over here. We'll see how big it gets. But it should be that any kind of fungus is coming on hard with a warm day today, maybe a high of 60. And plenty of sunshine after a real gully washer. The constant sound of the rapids is not something I would choose to make a permanent camp by. It's so beautiful and it's real nice. And it's so comforting and soothing, and I just love it. One of the things I also discovered, because it happened enough over and over that I figured out what that sound was. It was like this rumble, this like two bowling balls hitting together, but a deeper, louder sound. And then I realized all the sand and gravel during a big storm and constantly is getting washed away. And so the rocks that are on them are shifting, and sometimes they fall. And that, even way upstream, you hear it as a thunking rumble. It's really interesting. All the sounds that make up all that's going on with this water. And look at all the erosion there. It's just amazing and beautiful. So cool. When my kids were young, we used to watch this show. It was so hokey, and they used to laugh at me for wanting to watch it. It was called Gold Fever. And this guy would go out and he'd pan for gold, and he'd find it. And then I read the area we are in right now is known for talc, and they mine that stuff, but also for gold. And they've done small amounts. Oh, that's pretty small. Nice. Anyway. Oh no! Where's the gold thing? Come on, we gotta go get it. There it goes. Alright, first obstacle. Let me get my walking stick. See it? Yeah, I see it. Right down there. I'm going to cross the river and make way for the median where it crosses the horse trail. Careful, old boy. I think the boulders might have shifted. Made it. Watch for snakes. this is the choke point, so I gotta watch here rather than go up and look for it snagged. How exciting! I'm easily amused. Alright, there's a chance it's coming down here. Based on the bigger volume, there's a bigger chance it's coming down here. So I'm just gonna roll the dice about that and go up here and check, see if it's stuck in a snag. Nothing, honey. Is that it? Ta-da! Ow! Can I get a like? And a share, and a thumbs up, and a subscribe. What is it? Smash that button. I just gotta have a thrill, don't I? Gotta live dangerous.